Welcome to our channel Life Insights. This time we are with the question how to be free inwardly. It is said that freedom is the highest spiritual value. Everybody hangs for this and misses that. We are not talking about the outward freedom. We are bound by the laws of the society. We are bound by the rules of the society. We are bound by the environment. We are bound by the atmosphere we live by. We are to follow those rules and regulations. But we are talking about the inward freedom, spiritual freedom. That must start from our innermost core of the being. Freedom is an inward phenomenon. When do we get freedom? Our own mind creates lots of obstacles. That means we are to be friendly with our own mind. The question is how to be friendly with our own mind. We know mind creates all kinds of illusions. Even though truth is inside us, mind creates so many obstacles. We are attached to the tradition and we are bound by it. We are attached to our language and we are bound by it. We are attached to the race and we are bound by it. We live in a country and we die for the country. Hence, mind has created so many obstacles. Hence, we live in disorders and we have got lots of confusion about life. Since we are confused about life, we run to so many persons to clear our confusions. Hence, we go to so many gurus to ask for advices. This shows that inward confusion. Now, how to clear our inward confusion? Now, who is creating the inward confusions and disorders? Our own mind is creating all these obstacles. We have an achieving mind. We generally think that after achieving something in our life, we will be able to be happy. And hence we miss the present. But we are living in the present. Sometimes we think about the past, or in another time we think about the future. That means we always miss the present. Simultaneously, we have to learn how to live in the present. To have freedom, we must be able to live in the present. Present is the most powerful aspect of life. For that, we have to observe our own mind and thoughts. Thoughts are always dualistic in nature. Thoughts creates lot of divisions in us. Sometimes we are antagonistic to other people. We say our way is the only way and hence we hate others. We can't accept others' ways and means. Hence, lots of divisions are created within ourselves. We have to be very much aware how our mind works. The mind is dualistic in nature. But the reality is one. Here there is only one reality, that is the present. We must be able to understand the significance of presence. If the present is taken care of, then naturally the future is taken care of. We must focus our mind in the present. When the mind goes to the future, naturally we are diverted. Our mind loses its pliability and hence lots of divisions are created. Nowadays, outwardly you have got enough freedom to speak any language, to visit any place, to select any job, etc. But inwardly we are not free. Hence we are turning into fanatics. By this process only one becomes a terrorist. Absence of inner freedom creates lots of troubles for us and also to others. Hence, we must be careful about our own thought process. Even if our thought process is not alright, it will lead to wars. We hate other people. There is no reason for that. But we are victims of propagandas. Outside propaganda is going for all the time. We are victims of outside propaganda. We feel inwardly insecure. That's why we believe in some outside agency so that all our problems will be solved. We don't stand in our own feet. We rely upon somebody else. Hence we lose the freedom. But our mind has the secret to have freedom. Freedom is within us. We have to search for it. It is in the innermost core of the human being. It can be found out if we observe our own mind. That is the only secret. Our mind has the capacity, our brain has the capacity to find the truth, to find the freedom. Truth and freedom are not different. An alert mind is needed to be with freedom. Freedom is the ultimate aim of any human being. Then we will be happy always. Once again, we will be coming up with another video explaining another one aspect of life.